Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you would remove this inner door panel on your car to be able to gain access for window regulator, removing the window, anything that's behind it. So to start with, we have a little cover down here that you pop over. You don't remove it completely, it's attached. You just gotta, it's down in here, you'll see a nice little square to be able to pop that over, and then there's a screw behind that. And then right here is a cover that you'll need to that you'll pop out, and that way you have a screw here. And while we're at it, we'll pop this cover here so that when we go to remove the door panel, it doesn't interfere with this. Okay, so we're going to undo these two screws, which are just a Phillips. Okay, so we've removed those two screws. Now we can go around the whole door perimeter and get the push pins that hold it in to pop out. Right down here, you can feel it right there. There's an indent where you can get your tool in. Okay, so we've got that little cover off, it's holding this, and we've got the push pins pulled out of the back. Now we'll be able to remove this. Okay, and so you remove it like this, and then when you get back here, then you can just push. There's a little tab here that you can push and be able to remove this connection that holds that part of the door. And then you'll want to also we've got the electric that goes to the window door switch. That you want to undo. And then we have this one, another electrical connector here. We squeeze and pull and undo. And that way we have all the electrical connections undone to be able to remove the full door panel, and we'll set that aside. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.